to start question number 6 of exercise 3.2 that states, given the linear equation this 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. This is the first linear equation. Now we will suppose another equation which is required, that will be, let us say, a2x b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. And now we have given the first condition, that is the lines are intersecting. Lines 1 and 2 are intersecting, and we know that when lines are intersecting, then the ratio a1 over a2 is not equal to b1 over b2. We have done in the previous questions. So we will substitute the values. Therefore 2 over a2 is not equal to 3 over b2, because a1 is what? That is 2, b1 is 3 and c1 is minus 8. Now we have to suppose the values of a2 and b2, for which this condition should be satisfied. Let us say I take 2 over 3 is not equal to a2 over b2 by alternando. We know that by alternando these are interchanged. Now we will substitute the values of a2 and b2. We will assume the values of a2 and b2 such that this should not be equal to 2 by 3. Now therefore let a2 be 4 and b2 be, let us say, 10, and c2 can be any of the values, because here the relation of c2 is not existing, so it can be taken any number, and therefore required line is, that will be a2x, that is 4x, plus b2y, that is 10y, plus 5 is equal to 0. Now second part is lines are parallel, and we know that when lines are parallel, then our condition is a1 over a2 is equal to b1 over b2 is not equal to c1 over c2. Now we will substitute again values. Therefore a1 is 2 and a2 is not defined. This is 3, b1 is 3 and b2 is here, not equal to c1, that is minus 8, and c2 is not here. Now we will take two relations. This is first, second and third. Now we will take 1 and 2, that is 2 by a2 is equal to 3 by b2. Therefore this can be interchanged by alternando, a2 over b2, and now we will substitute the values of a2 and b2 such that their ratio should be 2 by 3. Therefore take a2 is equal to 4 and b2 is equal to 6. You can see 4 by 6 makes 2 by 3, and therefore, and on the other side, if we taking 1 and 3, it will be 2 over a2 is not equal to 8 over c2, and by alternative it will be a2 over c2 not equal to 2 over minus 8. That implies a2 over c2 is not equal to, and it will be minus 4 by 1. Now we will take the values of a2 and c2 such that it will not be equal to minus 1 by 4. Therefore, take a2 is equal to, let us say I take 4, and c2, a2 is same 4, and c2 will be, let us say, 10. Any value you can take, their ratio should not be equal to. Therefore, required line is a2x, that is 4x, b2y, that is 6y, plus c2, that is plus 10, is equal to 0. And this is our answer. Third and last condition is coincident lines, and we know that for coincident lines, a1 over a2 is equal to b1 over b2, b1 over b2 is equal to c1 over c2. Now we'll substitute again. Therefore, 2 by a2 is equal to 3 by b2 is equal to minus 8 over c2. Again, we will mark these numbers to make our question easy. Therefore, take first and second. It will be 2 by a2 is equal to 3 over b2, implies a2 over b2 is equal to 2 over 3. These two are interchanged with each other. Now we will take the values of a2. Let a2 is equal to 4 and b2 is equal to 6, and we will check whether 4 and 6 makes 2 by 3 or not. 4 by 6 will make 2 by 3, and take first and third. It will make 2 over a2 is equal to minus 8 over c2. It can be written as a2 over c2 is equal to 2 over minus 8, and it can be written as minus 1 by 4. Now we will take the values of a2 and c2, that will be equal to this ratio. And we know that a2 is already taken as 4. Let a2 is 4, and so c2 will be minus 16, because 4 over minus 16 will make minus 1 by 4. Okay, so these three variables have been found. Therefore, required equation is a2x, that is 4x, plus b2y, that is 6y, plus c2 minus 16 is equal to 0. And this line will be coincident with line number 1. And it completes the question number 6. Thank you.